Today we were very privileged to welcome the executive team from NIOB. They had come for a site tour and also to see a new line that we have set up with Italian technology, which helps in consuming raw materials in a sustainable way.
And as an institute, we decided to come visit one of the major factories in the country, which is the West Africa Royal Ceramics. And the purpose for the visit is one, to mark the week, that's the Builders Week, and second, to have a first-hand information of how the production processes of the tiles we use every day is being done. And like you all know, the experience we've had today is a wonderful experience because we could have that first-hand information.
Corruption, because we already have a body that is supposed to, govern this entire construction stage, right from the design to execution. And part of these bodies are the FCDAs, the regulatory bodies that are supposed to be in charge of all of these things, like to avoid all of this. But negligence, corruption, the fact that you want to move to site, go ahead, just pay so amount. All of those things are the causes of this building collapse we are having now. Then we have natural factor, which is very scarce. It's scarce for us to see in most of these cases. About 1,600 and something cases that happen is very scarce for you to see that is due to natural factor. And the natural factor could be flooding, which is very rare for us to see. Then we have some early signs of building collapse, which are cracks, sagging, or moisture damage. Then we have this structure here. From this picture, if you look at it very well, you will see a sign of moisture from here. So this could be due to the moisture coming from the weak foundation that had already been designed for this structure.
You can work with these development agencies like development control. They go to check sites and see whether they can the right things on site. It's not when the building collapses and I say, when they go there, thank God, no builder was involved. I think that's not enough. We need to be more proactive. Let us prevent this issue of collapses in buildings in Nigeria.
We have existing laws backing our relevance in construction sector. So we have not really exercised the importance of our seal to the fullest. And to a large extent, I want to believe it's sort of affects the morale of some people who are not very vast enough to be able to do as much as the papers that we are producing in construction presently.
It is a great honor and privilege to welcome you all to the 2026 Builders Day celebration of the Nigerian Institute of Building. Builders Day provides us with an important platform to reflect on the progress of our profession as we assess the challenges confronting the construction industry and renew our collective commitment to advancing a safe, sustainable and resilient built environment. The theme of this year's celebration, advocacy and policy influence towards sustainable reforms for a resilient built environment, resonates with the fact that the success of any climb depends to a large extent on the success of the country's legal system, that is advocacy and policy influence, knowing that the beauty of any law is precision. On behalf of the Nigerian Institute of Building, I congratulate all builders and construction professionals on this year's celebration. Your dedication and contributions remains vital to development of our nation. Thank you for your attention and participation. God bless the Nigerian Institute of Building. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
I thank you again for this opportunity, and I really look forward that we are able to bring in-depth meaning, and we are able to assemble again to showcase, the good work that we have done. Thank you. Thank you so much.
This is the Chronicles of Construction, the art of building, the soul of storytelling, ubiquitous.